Oh no! Our friends need to have a bath. Choose your favorite character. Time to get clean. First, let's brush her teeth. Now rinse her mouth. Soap her up with the sponge. Help our friend in the shower. Now let's dry her off. Much better, right, Lisa? Let's clean the house. First, let's make the bed. Drag the sheets up over the bed. Good job! Drag the pillow onto the bed. Nice job! Drag the teddy bears onto the bed. Nice job! Well done! Next, let's help Cowie vacuum the room. Drag the vacuum cleaner to clean the floor. Good job! Now we are going to clean the window. Nice job! Drag the cloth to the window to wipe off the foam. Well done! Let's get the room ready for the party. Drag the party decoration to its place. Nice job! Well done! Well done! Drag the cake to its place. Good job! What a great party!